how much is this apartment?
Wait, how much is it? $36.90?
Yeah.
Sure?
Good afternoon. It is a Sunday. It is Memorial Day weekend. And I had absolutely no idea that it was a holiday until about 2 days ago. I was fully prepared to work and luckily changed my mind. But it's kind of a work day, but not really. Decided to get lunch with a friend who's also a real estate agent, so of course we're always going to talk about work. And yesterday we were talking about like what would be our dream apartment in a certain price range. So I think we may try to take you along to some apartments that we like, ooh, exposure, in a certain kind of range. I think we're going to figure it out now. This is Chirina, everyone, and she works across town. We work at two different companies, but we share the same listings. So yesterday we were talking about what would be if we had like $3,000 to $4,000, because we see apartments all the time. So if we had like $3,000 to $4,000, what's an apartment that we would live in, right?
Yeah. It's
gonna be a little bit limited because we're not gonna be able to get into everything today. It's a holiday. We're the only ridiculous people doing work on a holiday. But we're gonna try. I think it would be fun to see.
It's gonna be fun.
What I would like and what she would like. You know what? That's it. I picked mine. I'm gonna beat you. Mine is gonna be better than yours, 100%. No doubt about it. So whatever you pick, it's gonna be cool, but it ain't gonna be like mine. I'm ready whenever you are. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna win. They're very different.
You're not gonna win. Once you see the extra that my place has.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure mine is gonna be big, and space is very important.
So what are you trying to say?
I mean,
it's not gonna be big. Better location.
Still has to be painted and clean. So this is why I love this space. It is huge, at least the living room is, and I'm a person that lives in the living room. So I figured I could do like a big sectional. I've never been able to get a sectional. So just imagine like sitting here, all of this sectional space here, and then TV kind of mounted on the wall. I don't even watch TV, but I think I would still have a TV mounted on the wall. And then have my desk, because I'm a person who likes to have my desk. I have to look out of the window when I'm working so that I can see some sort of view. Now, the view here is not that great, I must admit. But you do get light. You get some light, you get some sun. And then having your desk here, big computer screen, right? And then even over here, there's enough space to have a dining table. So like a square dining table right here. I don't love to leave dirty dishes in the sink, but I do leave dirty dishes in the sink all the time. So for me, even though I wish that the kitchen was kind of in the space, I think it's actually kind of nice to have her separately. So one, you don't get the smells, and you don't have to see the garbage and the dirt and the dishes.
It's nice.
All right, so let's go to the bedroom. It's small. I know it's small, but I'm a person who I just sleep in my bedroom. All I would need to put in here is a queen size bed and a dresser. Like, what else do you? If you have a living room that big, what else would you need to put in the bedroom? You can even walk in there, see, go in there.
Oh God.
Look how big that closet is.
Good.
They're good size.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. I didn't even know that was there. Washer dryer in the apartment. Does your apartment have a washer dryer?
We shall see. We shall see.
We'll reserve judgment. This would be the apartment that I would choose. And the price for this one is
$39.95.
Yes, the price for this apartment is $39.95. So I used my whole budget. We said between $3,000 and $4,000. I used my whole budget, and I get a washer dryer. I get a doorman, I get a gym. I gotta show you the gym. I get a gym.
You're gonna go down to the gym too?
Yeah, we get a gym and I get like a little lounge. The only thing this apartment is missing is a roof deck.
Yeah.
I don't have outdoor space, so that's the one thing that I would want in an apartment. So it's missing one thing, but it literally has everything else. I'm gonna give this, because I don't have outdoor space and because because I'm on the east side, I'm gonna give this maybe an 8 out of 10. But the apartment itself,
I'll give it a 7.
a 7. Okay.
7 out of 10.
Location and the outdoor space is the only thing that this is missing, but for the apartment, I'm ready. I'll take it right now.
Okay guys, so come on in, my choice.
We'll see how good this is. Okay.
So we have a living room with an open concept kitchen, brand new appliances. We have storage. The living room is not as big, but it's cozy. I would definitely put just one couch, TV, and this is it. A little coffee table.
Okay, how many bedrooms do we have?
1.
Okay.
It is a queen. You can even fit a king size in this room.
Okay, so this is definitely a bigger bedroom than mine.
More lights, storage also, and guess what? I also got a walk-in closet.
But how do you get up to the storage up there? That's what I want to know.
Gotta be creative. Jump in the bed or something. Just use your imagination.
You have to buy your own ladder. For this price, you have to buy your own ladder to get up there?
Oh! Question answer. No, I do not need to buy my own ladder because I can just shift the ladder.
Okay, I'm pretty sure you're not going to be going back and forth doing that.
It's okay. I don't need to stuff this in there. But the best part of this apartment is come upstairs to my office. I will make this an office space, or I can even put a little dining room table here. So this will be my dining area. And the best part of this apartment, ta-da! Back door space.
And this,
View.
is this private?
This is private, 100% private. With my neighbors making barbecue over there. But they didn't invite me, but it's okay, next year. Who wouldn't want to live here? Look at this. I could put a couch. I could put a whole set here. I can have 15 people in this private outdoor space.
Yeah, you couldn't have 15 people in the apartment like my apartment, but you could have 15 people outside.
Oh?
You definitely win in the outdoor space.
The view.
You for sure win in the view. I'll give you that. I love this outdoor space. But how often could you really use the outdoor space? I mean, it is hot.
I can make a snowman.
4 months.
I can make a snowman.
You're not gonna, the snow is gonna come past the freaking door. You're not even gonna be able to.
I could be like that Disney character. Let it go. Let it go.
Yeah, let it go. You're not gonna be able to use this. You should know that. No, but okay, I see why you like this. I love this style as well. Can you guys see just coming out of the door? Come out of the door again, like it's your house. Okay, so how much is this apartment?
Wait, how much is it? $36.90?
Yeah.
Sure? This apartment is $36.90, meaning I am under my budget, but utilities aren't included.
Right, and then how much you're gonna have to pay for laundry each month?
There's no laundry.
Because you don't have a washer. Because you don't have a
one
what?
Downstairs.
You know how much it costs to pay per pound for laundry?
Oh God.
But this backyard, these people's backyards are so beautiful. I do like how quiet and serene it is out here. And even though, like I said, you're not gonna use this space only but for 4 months out of the year, I definitely do think it's worth it.
It definitely is worth it.
My apartment you can use 24/7. You've got the gym, you've got the washer dryer.
I don't even use that gym. I have a gym that mandatory I need to use.
I mean, I'm okay with walking up 5-6 flights of stairs, but if I don't have to,
right,
I'm not going to. But I like it.
I like the privacy.
Yeah, this is definitely.
I don't have a doorman, which is something that I really do appreciate. For some reason, I don't like doorman buildings.
Yeah, she doesn't like doorman buildings because doormans, they can definitely be
in your business.
In your business and overly friendly.
Like, don't worry about the 15 people I have in my backyard. It's my backyard.
And she says that, but we both live in doorman buildings now. So she doesn't like it, but she lives in one.